1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 pepper.
1/4 cup of ketchup.
This is 1 pound of dry red bean,
Okay.
soaked in 6 cups of water for 5 hours.
Okay.
Now you're going to drain it.
It's drained. Put the beans in the pressure cooker.
You're going to add 4 cups of water.
And it's done in the pressure cooker. All done. Now we're going to stew the beans. So we're going to start with about 2 teaspoons of oil, a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Woo! Medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, chopped. Tablespoons of Golden Ray butter. It's like a salted butter with canola oil. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. After 10 minutes on medium heat, the beans are done.
This is racao, we call bandania in Trinidad.
Okay, racao or bandania,
Yeah,
green onions,
green onions, some cilantro,
a piece of dill,
yeah,
3 cloves of garlic,
a medium onion, and 1 hot pepper.
1 tomato, 2 bell peppers, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of flour to fry the fish,
This here is the blended bandania, the
green onion, cilantro,
and a piece of dill,
and dill.
blended with a 1/4 cup of water.
Okay,
Pour that in the fish to season it up.
okay.
1 teaspoon of salt.
Garlic, so
Yeah, put the garlic in there. The onion.
hot pepper, honey.
Then the tomato in there.
And the next step is to fry it all together.
1 cup of oil.
So we're gonna dip it in the fire. Fry on each side for 2 minutes. We're gonna stew the fish.
2 tablespoons of oil.
A 1/4 cup of ketchup to the hot oil. Woo! We're gonna fry it for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the leftover seasoning in. We cook it covered for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the fish that we just fried. Now we're gonna add 2 bell peppers chopped. 2 tablespoons, just
Yeah.
about. It's the secret of rich Caribbean flavor. After 10 minutes on medium heat, the fish is done. Ow, the pan is hot. After 10 minutes of medium heat, the fish is done cooking.